Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to turn off setting restricted by TikTok to secure your privacy. As you can see, if you upload a video and you see these kind of settings are turned off and your video will not be reached to any person if you turn off these kind of settings. Now I will tell you how you can turn on these settings which are restricted by TikTok. First of all, you have to cancel that post and you have to come back. After that, you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, what you have to do is you have to click on privacy. In privacy, if you click on privacy, what you will see is private account. If you turn on, then your video will not be provided to anyone on TikTok because TikTok will consider your account as a private account. You have to turn this off so that your video will reach to maximum people. After that, you can also click on comments and your comments will reach to everyone, so that you have to click on everyone so that everyone can comment on your video. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on do it and you have to select everyone so that you everyone can make a duet on your video. After that, you can also select stitch and you have to select the same option for that. After doing all, what you have to do is you have to come back and again check whether the problem has solved or not. In this way, you can check. Now you can check all the toggles are now on. Now you everyone can comment on your video, can create a duet and stitch is allowed. In this way, you can provide your video to everyone on TikTok. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.